is Regina. So I'm very happy to have today because everything today is very good. All our kids are very, very good. I appreciate the lady that organized all these things, Miss Adetifa. Is the best lady. So I thank God for everything. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Adeolu Abioye. The event today, a special day for the twins. It was a fantastic event, and I think especially for the children to understand more about the twins and also for us to celebrate the lives of the twins and also our culture as well, to introduce our culture and how we view twins in our culture. So it was a very, very memorable event, and I commend Mrs. Adetifa and the Yoruba language class for organizing such an educational program for our kids in Australia. It is part of the culture. It is a very, very good way to keep them grounded in our culture and also to teach them about who we are and where we're from. So I'm very, very proud of this event. We enjoyed it. It was well attended. Really, really happy that this event took place. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Temitope Adeboale, the current secretary of YCAV. Yeah, but Ibeji Day, it was a really good one. I had a good time. Yeah, you know, just cultural stuff, music, dance, and you know, just celebrating twins. One of the ways we try to keep our culture and tradition going. So yeah, really had a great time. Cheers.
My name is Dr. Obadino. I'm really happy to be here today. It's been a fantastic event. I've seen all the twins and their families in the program. Was really amazing. Lots of things to learn from the Yoruba culture and all the Yoruba cultural practices as well. And I will use this opportunity to encourage our members who have not been participating in events like this to come out and then embrace our culture and also share our cultural values. Thank you very much.
I'm Chief Belinda Okafo, Ezo Denibo. It's a very wonderful event. It brings the community together. We all are here to celebrate and also a time to have a bit of a rethink about twins. It's a good thing that these days people will have a twin and it will call for celebration. Unlike what is in our culture in those days, when people have a twins, they look at it as a taboo. But these days, thank goodness for the understanding and the privilege that people are now well aware that it's a blessing from God. And we hope that it keeps on and people in the generation to come will all continue to celebrate and remember the sufferings of our forefathers, of our loved ones that went through difficult and challenging times for the blessing of God. But today is a thing of blessing. Thank you.
My name is Mrs. Esther Oguntade, the wife of the president of the Yoruba Cultural Association of Victoria. The twins, they are the special kind of children that we celebrate so well in Yoruba culture because we believe that there are some kind of deities that people should worship. The Yoruba used to call them Ejire Oba Omo, which means the twins are the kings of the children. They have special place, and when people have them, they count themselves as being fortunate. Even myself, I would love to have twins, but at this stage, I don't think it will be possible, but maybe one of my children will have them. Anyway, it's good to celebrate them because I love to be around twins. They are lovely kids to be with, and I really appreciate the innovation to start celebrating the twins. Thank you.